Today I'm going to go over how to sell individual stocks on M1 Finance. And the intent here is to sell the stock to get the cash proceed deposited into your bank account. The first thing you have to do is make sure the auto invest deposit is turned off. If you don't turn this off, if you have the cash available, it's going to try to buy back into the pie, which you don't want to do. Mine is already turned off. You want to go to the sector or slice that has the individual stock that you're interested in selling. In this case, I want to sell Bank of America. So I go to my finance slice or pie, click on the Bank of America, click on sell, make sure that's sell, not buy. I want to sell $1,800 worth, confirm the sell. I'm going to sell Johnson & Johnson, which is in the healthcare industry. I want to sell $1,600 worth. I want to sell Microsoft, and it is under technology slice. Click on Microsoft. Click on sell. I want to sell $540 worth. Pfizer. I want to offload 100% of Pfizer. Since I want to offload 100% of Pfizer stock, I put it at, just make it 6.8. I doubt it'll go over that much more. Let's make it 670. Confirm. Go back to the main page. See, there are 22 trades pending. The trade at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, it will initiate the sell. And I set total of 22 individual stocks, valuing at $16,176. And it lists all the companies along with the sell value. So that's how easy it is to sell individual stocks within the pie. Future T here to correct previous mistake. When I was recording my top-down shot and screenshotting the M1 Finance mobile app, my top-down shot was out of focus, and I forgot to record my app on my phone. So I'm redoing the app portion of it. Really, the only difference between the web browser and the app is how you scroll up to get to the sell button. But everything else is the same as the web browser. So if I want to sell a company, a stock within technology, click on the technology sector. Let's say I want to sell Microsoft, click on Microsoft. And at the glance, you don't see the option to sell anywhere. But slide up, that's where you see the sell button. And then from here, it's the same as the web browser. You put in how much you want to sell and click confirm. But I'm not doing this because I already sold my shares. Now that the fund has settled, I can move the fund into my bank account. Select on the move money. Select on one-time transfer. From my account, 16,000, to my bank account. That's it.